The mother knows what to look for in the nourishment she gives her child. Her awareness guarantees the safety of her baby. This grandmother also needs extra care. Her food too must be safe for her fragile health. From the birth of an individual to the well-being of an entire nation, there is a protective shield that ensures the safety and quality of every morsel that an Indian ingests. This defensive armor, the Kavach, protects and safeguards a populace that is 1/5 of all humanity. The FSSAI, or Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, established in September 2008, has worked relentlessly to fulfill its mandate for laying down science-based standards for articles of food. It also regulates their manufacture, storage, distribution, sale and import to ensure availability of safe and wholesome food for human consumption. From the biggest of cities to the rural hinterland, in every corner of India, the food that is packaged, processed or even imported by food business operators needs an FSSAI license or registration before it is made available to the public. All FBOs in the country too need an FSSAI license that their food products comply with required standards. The FSSAI standards are developed through a comprehensive and rigorous process conducted by a scientific committee and 21 specialized scientific panels. 286 experts from esteemed organizations like ICMR, CSIR, ICAR, IITs, and other institutions specializing in food, safety and nutrition serve on these panels. FSSAI sets global standards and collaborates with international food regulatory authorities to improve food standards and address key issues. These standards are enforced by FSSAI through regular surveillance, monitoring, inspection, and random sampling of food products. Testing of food for compliance with the safety standards happens across a nationwide grid of connected laboratories. Food Safety on Wheels is an innovative step that takes food testing labs to the doorsteps of the consumers and FBOs. FSSAI also has a robust mechanism for handling consumer complaints and concerns. Over the years, the apex regulatory body has transformed itself from an enforcer to an enabler. Since 2017, the FSSAI has trained more than 1.9 million food handlers. New initiatives like digital payment gateways for licensing and registration fees and online modification facilities have created a positive ecosystem for the food sector. In a bid to empower citizens with knowledge, bring about behavioral changes and encourage healthier habits nationwide, the FSSAI is spearheading the impactful Eat Right India movement. This game-changing initiative with a holistic approach towards food safety has touched and protected every section of the society. The FSSAI is present in every walk of our life, in its myriad forms. It fulfills its mandate of keeping India safe. In the process, it has become a movement, a benevolent force that touches, adapts, and protects every section of the society. The healthy, happy, smiling Indian goes about her and his daily chores while the invisible FSSAI shield wraps the country in a protective sheath. The mighty Kavach that keeps the country safe from foodborne sickness and diseases, realizing the vision of Swasth Bharat.